Hello, Jody here from Joli Natural Skincare, and today I wanted to apply the rose cold cream mask I made the other day whilst I talk about the 5 signs of aging, just the signs that I'm noticing within myself. So I'm sort of near the middle, the middle years. I know a term but I can't think of it, and I'm starting to notice kind of tiny little pock marks sort of thing, like your pores aren't small and tiny the way that they used to be when you're little. For those of you who have children, you will see that their skin is flawless and their pores, I mean, there aren't any. You know, they're so small you can't see them. Those lines, the wrinkles, they start to be more prominent just regularly sitting, and there they are. Luggage. One thing I've noticed about older people is that they always look tired. I'm meant to be applying the mask as I talk, by the way, I forgot. I'm going to see if it goes on with a brush. My boy, I told him to be quiet, but he's not. Alright. Alright, doesn't really go on well with their brush. It's not too bad, I mean it's going on, but let's try it with our fingers. You get better results with your fingers. It helps melt creamy bits into the skin. It's a little bit lumpy, just like the other cold cream was. So yeah, luggage. I always look like I'm going on a trip to somewhere. Very puffy eyes. I mean, I always had puffy eyes. They're just more puffy now. And I constantly look tired. I'm getting this kind of bag there that happens. And if you look at any older actor, you'll see that a lot of them start to look tired. It's like you get to like 50 or something and you just kind of go, or something. And crepe paper, it's starting to get like bits of crepe paper here. Like when I go like that, you can sort of see it. I can see it. I don't know if it's coming up on the camera. This cream feels really nice, by the way. It feels really luxurious. The rose water really makes it something special. Sticking to me all over the place, but you know. And of course, creases, that annoying. I'm going to put the mask there too to really hydrate it. So when I was younger, I didn't have those creases noticeably. They were there probably, but not sort of just sitting there. Now I'll wake up in the morning and there'll be lines there in this V shape. So not super noticeable at the moment. Now you can see it in certain angles, a line there, a line there. And that's that crepe paper sort of thing. Starting to become more prominent, sort of the older I get. And obviously you can't ward off aging forever. All you can do is slow it down by doing things like applying this rose cold cream to remove your makeup. I went on a date with hubby and we saw the Barbie movie, LOL. It was actually funny, with an interesting political twist. So yeah, I can't ward off aging forever. It's going to eventually happen. It's going to eventually show. All I can do is look after my skin as best as I can and try to look younger youngish for as long as possible. So I did mention the 5 things: the craters, the wrinkles, the bags, crepe paper and the creases. Yes, that's the 5 signs of aging that I'm noticing with my skin. There's obviously other things like the odd slight bit of grey that we have as we reach middle age. That's the word or the term I was looking for. I knew it'd come to me. So the beauty too about this mask is it can be applied to your eyes as well, even though it's sort of oily looking. And I would leave this on for say 10-15 minutes and get a really nice warm cloth and wash that off, and follow with some eye cream and the ointment that I've got a video of. And I made recently some chamomile ointment. Beautiful, beautiful. If you have not made the ointment yet, I strongly suggest that. It's really, really lovely. Anyway, that's me done. And thank you for watching.